Hey guys, so this is a quick protective style that I do on my daughter's hair. I use 2 squirts of this Cantu curl cream and lather it all over. And let's get started. It's basically two French braids on the side. Quick, simple, and last a few days, especially on her hair. Now this is definitely a style that you can undo the braids and rewash the hair and simply just rebraid the hair, or you could take it out and have some nice waves and have that as your hairstyle as well. Sometimes she does that. But this hairstyle is very protective for curls. That way it prevents all the hair from getting tangled up when she washes it herself. I like to do this maybe once a week for her, and it'll last a few days, like I said, and then she can wash her hair and leave it out after that. Now, I'm not trying to be perfect with my braids. I just simply gather all the hair and make a quick braid so that I don't have to go through the detangling process all over again. I do brush out the ends so that the ends don't shed, and they can curl at the ends for her. So that's it, guys. 2 simple French braids, protective style for curly hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the like button.